back to the Heritage Lock YouTube channel and our mini-series on the Kaba Oracode lock. Sort of a user guide or an introduction to the Kaba Oracode lock. What I want to talk about today is a question that we get pretty frequently, which is, if I go online to generate my codes, but my Wi-Fi goes down, how does my lock actually work? How do I make sure my codes will actually work? So that's one of the really unique things about the Kaba Oracode locking system. The lock itself is not actually, or isn't required to be connected to the internet in order to work. It's what we call an algorithm-based lock. And so when we set up the lock on your account, we first configure a lock profile on the Kaba Oracode wireless website, which I talked about in the previous video. And then we download the serial number. It's an encoded serial number. We download that serial number information to a mobile programming unit. And then when we go out and install the lock and get it set up on your account, that programming unit encodes the lock itself with the serial number as well as the date and time with the time zone. So when you go onto KabaOracode.wireless.com, you're then able to generate a code that is going to work in that lock for the date and time that you've specified. So that's how the Kaba Oracode locks work without actually being connected to the internet.